Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra, and let me share with you how to fix up crashing. Alright, so if you meet some strange problems with the app, I highly recommend to first of all force stop. So find the app, tap on it and hold it, and then tap on this info icon. Now, I highly recommend to first of all force stop and tap on OK, because if it is running in the background, it might interfere with your actions. And then let's scroll and go to storage and remove cache. Basically, cache are junk files which are saved by your device, but they are not necessary for the proper usage, and to be honest, can interfere sometimes. So clear cache, and after that, so after force restart and after clearing cache, I highly recommend to power off your device and then power it on again. Basically, it means to save the changes, kind of confirm them. So all you have to do is to press the power button and volume down button together simultaneously and press them until you'll see this those options. So just tap on restart and your device will be automatically powered off and then powered on again. If that didn't work, I highly recommend to check the updates. And first of all, I think that you should update the app. So let's go to the Play Store, make sure that you've got the internet connection and make sure that you're logged in. That's how you will be able to check for the updates. Let's go to search and enter the name of the app which you wish to update. So in my case, Chrome, for example. As you can see, we've got the Chrome. Here we've got the information whether it is installed or not. And here we've got more options. And as you can see, if the update is available, you will see this button. So simply tap on update and then your device will override the newer version over the older one. However, it might not work because sometimes overwriting can cause more problems. Then I highly recommend to come back to this section here, and instead of update, you will have the option uninstall. And I highly recommend to simply uninstall it. Just go through the whole process. You can power off your device in between the actions, after uninstalling, to confirm everything, and then come back here and install it again, because sometimes installing in the newest version directly will be much better option to choose. And as a last resort, I highly recommend to check the system updates, because sometimes when the system is not updated, then even the newest app versions won't work. So let's go to the settings, and in this left section we have to scroll down to the very bottom and find software update. And then let's tap on download and update, and your device will basically check for the updates. If you've got the update pending, I highly recommend to simply tap on download or install. It will not only help you with the app, but also with the security of your whole device. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.